this is secondary board for Evoo Gimme PC. So the problem of this is that this USB port is not working, although this jack is working here, because I plug in an earpiece to it and it's working. There's something that I noticed. This place is very hot. So for it to be very hot, actually there's a short on it. So this, I've set multimeter to continuity. So this side is negative. Yeah. This side is negative and this is the positive. You see? And it shouldn't. For there to be blinking like that, that means there's a problem. Alright. I mean there's a problem. This and this has bridge. Okay. While there are a lot of components here, I've removed these parts, but it persists. Okay. This is right here. It persists. So the easier way, the fastest way to get where the short comes from is to inject a voltage. All right, so I've created this cell, a combination of cells. Yeah. So all these are connected in parallel. So I'm going to use this to inject voltage. Let me zoom out so that you are going to see how it is. So these are found in laptop battery. These are cells inside laptop battery. So I've combined like about 4. Every one of them connected in parallel, not in series. So it will have, imagine, let me measure the voltage. I think maximum of 4 point something volts. Oh, okay, this is 3.7. Yeah, 3.71. So this is enough for me to know where the short comes from. So in order to save my time, so that I'm not keep removing components, all right? So I'm going to inject a voltage on this so that I will see where the short comes from. All right, so negative to negative. All right. So negative to negative, and here is positive. I'm going to add this positive here. Yeah, let me zoom in so that where the short comes from will become very visible. All right, so positive to positive. I want to inject you. All right. You see? That means is this nigga right here. And that is it. So I believe that should solve my problem. So I'm going to use raw stationer to remove this capacitor, this cap. So the short should have disappeared by now. All right, so here is negative beeping. So yeah, it should stop. Silence. All right, silence. So it's done. So with this, since the other capacitor, there's no need for me to replace the capacitor. I can just let it be like that. Yep. So I'm not going to replace the capacitor. I'll just leave it that way. So if I return it to the PC, it should work. All right, so I need to return the one that I removed. So laptop is on. Next is for me to test. Is this thing hot? I'm touching it with my finger, and it is not. It's not hot. The PC is on. So next is to plug in the USB and test. Do I have a light? Do I have a light? And it's working. Of course, it will work. This is it. Caps lock. Num lock is on. Yeah, and caps lock is on, so it is working. All right, it is working. So this is it. What I just okay. All right, this is right here. So it is working. Good.